parking, I was like going like this.
It will move also.
Huh?
It doesn't have to sit right in that position. Listen, it will move around.
I think I should move my car. And I saw that one that went underneath it, and I was like, that's not safe.
It's not unsafe. Unless you're leaking gas.
They're letting them off right behind your truck.
Hey, Jason, you want to relocate it for me? Please? Please?
Have Randy do it.
Corey.
I parked down there to begin with for a reason.
Sit on my seat. Sit on my seat.
Hey, while you're up, you can move your car. That was pretty long. What's the difference?
One of them's ashes, one of them's mine.
Did it taste different?
No, I just don't want to drink somebody else's.